Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Messes with Michelle, cleaning one mess up at a time. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because it's all about the Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner. I'm giving you a full demonstration and review and my final thoughts if this is worth your buy or not. If you're new, welcome. I'm so glad that you found me and clicked on this video, and if you're returning, welcome back. So if you're not familiar with my channel, I'm dedicated to DIYs, how-to videos, and lots of cleaning motivation. So if it sounds like something you want to be part of, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I want to take you on my messy journey. The Hoover PowerDash is part of their Expert series and it has 2 times the cleaning power. The great thing about this machine, it's lightweight, it only weighs 13 pounds, and it also has a small, sleek style, so it's easy to store if you have a small space. The assembly of the machine couldn't be any easier. It took under a minute. All you have to do is insert the handle into the machine. Also, you have to place the clean water tank and dirty water tank into position. This carpet cleaner has dual tank technology, which means your dirty water tank, which you see here, is totally separate from your clean water tank. So there's never a problem with the clean water and dirty water mixing together. So here's a shot of the back of the machine, and this is your clean water tank that holds in liters 1.8 liters, or in gallons, a half a gallon. So at the very back of the machine, you have your release button to remove your dirty water tank. And then moving down, you have your power button that's red. And you also have a foot pedal to recline the machine when you're ready to clean. So just to show you the difference between the Bissell Pro Heat and the Hoover in terms of size, the Hoover is quite smaller, lightweight, and only, as I said, weighs 13 pounds, whereas the Bissell Pro Heat weighs around 40 pounds. To get the unit ready for carpet cleaning, you have to fill the clean water tank up to the water line, and then you have to pour in the Hoover Revive and Renewal solution to the solution line, and then you're ready to go. Now I'm ready to clean my carpets, and I recline back the handle, and now I've powered on the machine and I'm pressing the trigger as I'm going back and forth. The great thing about the PowerDash is it cleans going forward as well as backwards, whereas more traditional carpet cleaners, you have to reverse the actual unit to be able to clean. So as I'm pushing the trigger, I'm releasing the solution and mixing in the water and cleaning my carpets. I'm repeating the pattern as I go along the floors, and as I'm going along the floors, I'm also releasing the trigger. So this way the solution is no longer being dispensed in the water, and I'm just using the machine to suck up any excess water that could be still in the carpet for faster drying time. The PowerDash has heat force power that applies hot air directly to the area while you're cleaning for faster drying times. Make sure you stick around and don't click off this video because I'm going to show you all the super satisfying results at the end of this video after I finish cleaning my carpet in my bedroom as well as my area rugs, which I'll show you a little bit later. But I'm really happy with the results so far. The machine feels very powerful, and you can definitely tell the bristles on the machine pick up all those dust bunnies and fur that was embedded into the carpet in my bedroom. So I'm also testing the PowerDash on my area rugs, and I'm using it on my front foyer as well as my living room. These are very high traffic areas, and I was really curious to see how well it performed not only on wall-to-wall carpet but also on area rugs. The PowerDash is designed for people with pets, and if you have any heavily soiled areas, Hoover suggests that you pre-treat the area with their solution and let that loosen up and remove any stubborn stains, and then proceed and use the carpet cleaner to clean the rest of the carpet. Now I'm moving on to my living room, and once again this is a very high traffic area, so I want to see how well the PowerDash performed and extracted the carpets. If you missed my video, Bissell versus Bissell, I'll link it up above. That was the last time I cleaned my carpet, which is about a month and a half ago, so I'm really excited to see what type of results have accumulated in dirt in the last month and a half. Moving on to your cleaning, now that the area rugs are clean, underneath the dirty water tank there's a filter that you have to make sure to remove any dust or debris that gets collected for top performance. The front of the nozzle, which I'm removing here, removes with ease, and you can rinse this out under warm water. Now, removing the nozzle was one thing, it was so easy, but actually cleaning out the roller as well as on top of the roller guard to get all the gunk and debris out was such a pain. You have to use a Phillips screwdriver as well as remove 6 screws to get the roller off and to be able to clean underneath. I was so frustrated by the time I started to disassemble the machine that I totally forgot to show you how to take the screws out, but you can find that in the manual. So if you don't have a lot of patience, then maybe this is not the machine for you because it definitely takes a lot of time and effort just to clean the machine after a few uses. It's been about 3 hours, and this is a shot of my bedroom carpet, and the carpet is pretty much dry. There's just a few areas that were a bit moist, but nothing too wet, and that was probably because I cleaned those areas last. So here's a nice shot of my vacuum lines because I used my Dyson to suck up all those dust bunnies and fur balls that were on the floor after I cleaned my carpets. Here's a shot of my front foyer area rug as well as a shot of my living room area rug. I'm really happy with the overall results and how the carpets were extracted with the PowerDash. Comment below and let me know if you've been anticipating this part of the video as much as I have, because I love seeing the extraction water after cleaning my carpets. I love having my carpets nice and fresh, but I think the most exciting part is seeing what comes out afterwards. And if you know my videos, I like to share the good, the bad, and the ugly results, and this is no different. So sit back and relax and enjoy these shots. The cleaning results speak for themselves, and the Hoover PowerDash Pet does an excellent job extracting carpets as well as area rugs. If you're looking for a carpet cleaner that's small, lightweight, but yet powerful, definitely the Hoover PowerDash is the way to go. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video and enjoyed the super satisfying results. And just as a reminder, if you're new here, I upload my videos every Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So until then, I will see you in my next video next Sunday.